This creamy chorizo pasta recipe is one of those recipes that you just want to have in your repertoire when you need something quick, easy and delicious to cook during the week. It's so good. I think you're going to love it. One of the great things about this recipe, in my opinion, is that you should have most ingredients in the cupboard already. So first thing we're going to do is chop up basically a sofrito but with some chorizo. So the sofrito is carrot, onion and celery chopped up nice and small, and then we're adding that chorizo in to give it just a wonderful smoky rich flavour. I'm using red onions for this just because I think they're slightly more flavoursome, but if you've only got white onion, that is absolutely fine. You don't need to take the casing off the chorizo, just chop it up as is and add it all to the frying pan with a little scoosh of low-cal spray or a wee bit of olive oil, and fry that on a medium heat until the chorizo starts to release lots of oils and the veggies have softened. Add in your garlic, give it a further 30 seconds and then add your mince and brown it. If you're not a fan of pork mince, you could easily use beef mince, it works just as well. But brown that, add in your red wine along with mixed herbs or Italian if you're over at the pond. Chopped tomatoes, tomato puree and plenty of black pepper and salt, and just mix all of that through so it is nicely combined. We're going to give that a simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the chopped tomatoes have broken down, and then near the end of cooking you can add a little bit of pasta water to help loosen things if you need a little bit more moisture in the pan, and just mix all that through. And then the last thing to do is to stir in some low-fat cream cheese for the creaminess.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Make sure to mix your pasta through it before serving it. Don't just put pasta and then sauce on top. Garnish with some green and get stuck in. As always, if you'd like the full recipe, you can get it in my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!